Hey guys, welcome to my technological world, your own YouTube tech channel. If you're new here, please hit the like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you will receive our upcoming videos. Today we discuss upcoming China's flagship OnePlus 15. Let's have a look. The OnePlus 15 is shaping up to be OnePlus's next flagship, bringing bold changes in design, performance, and imaging. The OnePlus 15 represents a bold step into the future of smartphones, blending elegance, speed, and power in a way the brand has never done before. With its next-gen Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, a sleek flat LTPO OLED display, and an advanced 5050MP camera system, this device isn't just about performance. It's about redefining premium mobile experiences. OnePlus is also introducing a unique sandstorm design finish, built with a special MAO coating that makes the phone stronger, smoother, and unlike anything else on the market. Expected to debut in China by October 2025 and roll out globally in early 2026, the OnePlus 15 is set to compete directly with Samsung and Apple's upcoming flagships, offering users more power, style, and battery endurance than ever. Expected key specs, leaked highlights. Processor Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for lightning-fast AI and gaming. Display Touch 6.78. Flat LTPO OLED, 1.5K resolution, adaptive refresh rate up to 165 Hz. Memory and storage. Up to 16 GB RAM and 1 TB storage option. Cameras. 50 megapixel setup, main, plus, ultra-wide, plus periscope telephoto. With improved night mode and zoom. Front camera, 32 megapixel with autofocus. Designed for crystal clear selfies. Battery 7,000 mAh with 100-watt fast charging, rumored. Build and design unique sandstorm finish plus. Durable MAO frame coating. The OnePlus 15 feels like a fusion of raw power and futuristic design, aiming to be one of the most durable yet stylish flagships of 2025. So guys, this is the fresh news about new upcoming OnePlus 15. I hope you like this video. If you like, please hit the like button and subscribe to Channel My Technological World. Thanks for watching.